one for the Ford fans. A late model here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2022 Ford F-150 Raptor with the 37 Performance package and more. First of all, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, one owner vehicle, a little over 7,000 I believe it was. We're going to get inside it, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll check out the exact miles in just a bit. First of all, take a look at the front end, fascia. And yes, this truck's in the condition that you would expect for a one owner, low mile, clean Carfax vehicle. I have the key fob in my pocket, so it's going to do some perimeter stuff as I'm walking around it with those lights, as you can see. Still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed of it, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, these wheels and tires, part of that 37 Performance package. It also has the RAPTOR carbon fiber package, as well as a tough bed spray and liner, power tailgate, and twin panel moonroof. You can see a copy of the window sticker if you want to see exactly how this truck is equipped. That'll be in the still picture. So again, take your time looking through the still pictures. You can see side glass has been tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. As you can see, spare wheel matching the rest of the tires and wheels. And again, you can also see the tough bed spray and liner. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, you can see a box over here that does have what appears to be the original air intake in it. So when we pop the hood, we're going to check out that intake underneath there. I'm sure they put a cold air intake on here. And again, you can probably see that in the pictures. Looking underneath the hood at the engine bay in the pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. As we look down the driver's side, again, paint is the condition you expect with this kind of miles on it. If you're into these Ford trucks, maybe late model Fords, or just like looking at trucks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Vehicles and the videos of them are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, paint's showing well on this truck. No major nicks, dings, scratches, chips. Let's take a peek at the interior. Door panel's looking good. I did fold this seat up on the one side so you can see storage compartments below. Split folding. Bench seat in the rear. And of course, you're going to get all the standard equipment. And check that out in the window sticker. It is too long of a list to go through in this short of video. Also, stick around to the very end of this video, and we'll take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road and performs. Of course, dual power seats up front. Beautiful, comfortable seats. Center console. There's the exact miles, 7,992. You can check that out right there. 7,992. Again, that twin panel moonroof. Nice set of running boards for people my height. Oh, and listen to that. All right. Let's take a little peek in here so you can see around. 7,992, not bad. Average economy, 14.1. Dash looking good. Of course, your big screen controlling pretty much anything in this vehicle, as you can see down here. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. What you'd expect, heated and ventilated seats down here. All the goodies. Of course, drive mode, steering wheel controls. I think the list of what you don't have would be shorter than the list of what you have on this one. Power tailgate, backup camera, we'll let you take a listen. All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's get this hood popped, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this walk around. No surprises on this one, folks. If you want to see how it goes down the road, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner nice and clean. Doesn't appear this thing's been driven in inclement weather. There it is. What do we have here? AFE power, Magnum Force, cold air intake. And again, the original one's in that box we took a peek at earlier. Nice and clean and tidy underneath here. What you'd expect with less than 8,000 miles on a one-owner vehicle. 2022 Ford F-150 Raptor Crew Cab. Good looking truck. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Who wouldn't want to drive a 2022 Ford Raptor? That's what we're in today, an F-150 Raptor from 2022. If you see any flickering on our screen, that is not the truck. That's just our camera's frame rate. An excellent truck from Ford. If I had to describe the coloring on this one, with that white, maybe snow camo, seems like a good one to me. What a fun truck. With all the off-road capability, all the creature comforts, and performance. Extra lighting on the hood, 6 auxiliary switches right here on the roof. Excellent sounding stereo. You can tell there's a subwoofer.
Pick you back up.
Stream us on your desk.
Seats with multi-leather cloth design, looking great. Handles like a brand new truck. It is really pretty much a brand new truck. We've got readouts for everything. Right on an LCD screen on the dash. Just imagine a brand new 2022 Ford Raptor in all its glory. This is that truck. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.